Next, let's look at some possible positive ways that we can improve social media in regard to the Kearney Red Cross. So there are multiple platforms that you can use to reach out to the community and gain recognition for your organization. But there are some important key factors to consider when you're making these social media platforms. First is quality. It's important to make sure that each photo you post has a purpose and that the images are of high quality. They have, correct spelling and correct grammar as far as captions. And it's important that you look at what it is that you're posting. It's important to post things such as events that are going on in your organization or updated information as far as new business hours or new contact information. All those things are really key and essential to having quality social media platforms that people will want to follow and keep up with. As you can see attached to this slide, I posted a picture of the sample Instagram that I had made for the Kearney Red Cross. As you can see, the profile image has been changed. It's just a simple Red Cross photo. People will recognize that the second they see it, and it will help the social media platform to look more legitimate. Also, as you can see, you kind of want it to have a common theme. I include kind of a red theme because when you think Kearney Red Cross, you think of the classic red image of the Red Cross. And so all of the images have purpose, whether it was explaining an upcoming event, showing people giving blood to the blood drive, just really incorporating photos that make sense and are purposeful as far as the social media. The Kearney Red Cross currently does not have a lot of updated images on their Facebook, but social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram are relatively easy to keep up with and to post on and have content on there. So I definitely think it would be important to update their Facebook and just have more relevant images on each platform.